What's up, guys? I bought myself a We the People Justice and I like to do a bike check. Starting with the front, I have Salt Team grips. Very nice. Comfortable. And I got a Salt Moto brake lever and a Salt Slick brake cable. Onto the handlebars, they are Salt and they have a 8.25 inch rise. And the stem is a new Salt AM front-loaded stem with a 48mm reach. Pretty scratched up. And I have a Salt integrated headset. Onto the tire. I have a Salt pitch raw 20.2.25 inch front, the red anodized rim, and a Salt fork. And I have some Dead's Dice valve caps in black and red. Moving on to the frame, as you can see, I got my bike from Dance Comp. The bike, it has a 21-inch top tube with a Clat Surge PC pedals, pretty comfortable, pretty grippy, and a Salt chain, 25 tooth sprocket, 175mm cranks, 3-piece, and a We the People Justice pivotal seat, Salt seat post and seat clamp. Onto the rear, we have a Salt pitch flow 20.2.10 inch with a red anodized wheel and Dead's Dice. 9-tooth driver, cassette hub, 14mm axle, front is a 3/8, and I have a Salt LIU brake, pretty grippy brakes, white brake pads, and yeah, that's my bike. I just got my bike a couple weeks ago, pretty satisfied with it. Couple pop tires, but that's okay. Alright, there's my bike. I'll make another video as soon as I can. Later.